guys, ayan, lalabas na naman kami. Of course, ano pa bang bago, di ba? Ayan guys, maglalakad-lakad kami. Pasko na. Pero parang hindi naman Pasko guys. Pasko ba yan? Ayan lang yung may Christmas light. Oh. Hoy, ang lamig. Lamig guys. I think 0. Is it 0? Or yes, 0. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, 0. Pero kailangan pa rin lumabas. Alam mo na, Julalay. Julalay ang lola mo. Ewan ko ba. Okay na to. Ay, isa nga. Daming sinabi, no? Ito lang, ganito lang ang aming buhay-buhay dito sa Finland. Sa ngayon, syempre kailangan ano muna, aral muna ako. And then, ganun talaga. Yung iba dito, ganun talaga yung ginagawa. Aral muna, and then, later on, makahanap ka ng trabaho. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, doon muna ako sa Tampere. Kasi syempre, walang anak ng iwan ko siya. Kawawa naman. Walang Julalay. Ayan guys, ang lamig. Wala pa naman masyadong maraming snow guys. Kunti pa lang yung snow. Ayan. Ganyan lang dito, diba? Parang ano lang. Wala lang. Sobrang tahimik lang guys. Kaya nung una talaga. Ano tong lugar na to? Compare mo sa lugar ko, ang ingay. Ang daming tao. Dito talaga. Nako po, mabibigay ka sa katahimikan. Diyan naman, mabibigay ka sa riot. Joke lang. Minsan kasi diba? Talagang ano, pag nasanay ka ng maraming tao, tapos biglang boom, tahimik na. O sige na guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna ito. To be continued. So hi guys, andito na kami sa city. Ito yung ano nila dito. Ayan. Simple lang guys. Mas marami pang decoration dyan sa Cavite. Ayan. Ganyan lang yung decoration nila dito. Ayan guys. City na to Nasa province kasi kami dito sa Basasa. Ayan, ano yan, Rivel Mall. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ano nila, Hesburger. Diyan Jollibee. At saka McDonald's dito, Hesburger. Ayan, pupunta kami sa bar. Dun sa student bar. Doon medyo mura-mura yung beer. Kasi ang beer dito guys, minsan isang beer lang 8 euro. So minsan mahal talaga. Minsan isa lang ako or minsan dalawa. Diba? 16 euro guys. My God. So dito, lang, 4 euro. Kaya most of the time, dito kami kasi student. So, ang daming students. So talagang binababaan nila yung price. Yan, ganyan lang dito. Yan lang guys. Simpleng simple. Simple. Sarado yung student bar. We didn't end up there. So, have a little drinks. Kipis. We call it kipis, guys. So, yan. Medyo ano lang dito, tahimik. Wala lang. Tahimik lang. What can you say about Independence? It's Independence Day today, right?
Yeah, it's the country is 100
100 what?
107 years old now today.
Yeah.
You know. So when we were released from this other Russian, you know, thing,
You're
you know.
so bad.
Yeah.
So, that's why you celebrated.
Yeah, just
Ah, that's why they celebrate today because of that kind of independence. Same in my country. We have that. We have it same.
better thing is that we have a huge war.
Huge
That's
war.
like these older guys who were still in the war.
Yeah.
They were not in the first we got independence, but then came another 2 wars which we have to survive over again.
Oh
again,
my
again.
God.
So it was not over, you know. This enemy behind the border, you never know what they do.
First, it's Russia.
It's,
Russia.
it's always Russia.
Russia first, who is
Of
trying
course,
to
we were
invade your
under
country.
Sweden, but that
Ah,
was a
you were
peaceful
also
way.
under
We
Sweden.
didn't have any war, it was just but then we were part of Russia and then we wanted to become independent. Yeah. It took long and then they wanted to occupy us again and again.
So
We
Russia
occupied-
wanted to occupy.
Actually, we wanted to occupy Russia as well.
Oh, wow. But it's too
Intercapital.
big to occupy this Russia. And now this Russia is trying to occupy the...
They can never come here.
What is the name? This Russia is trying to occupy. What is the name of this country? I forgot. Which the Russia tried to invade.
Ukraine.
Yeah, Ukraine.
But it cannot happen here. No way. We are not NATO.
Yeah, you're in NATO, so
They
yeah.
know that we have so big army that they can never.
Yeah, that's a good thing that you were part of NATO. So every European is part of NATO.
Not all,
Not all.
but almost all.
Is it part?
There's few countries.
Is it
which
also US is part of NATO? US also is part of NATO.
Yeah, US is the main.
Also, US is the main.
Yeah.
And then, how about this Germany?
Yes,
part of,
main. US, Germany,
US, Germany,
England, okay, Great Britain,
Great Britain.
Spain, Italy, just almost all.
Okay, almost all, but not all like you mentioned.
Now Sweden and Finland. So,
So yun guys, natututo tayo ng history ng European Union.